The most powerful South African in the US could be loosening his grip on Washington. Elon Musk, who President Trump appointed to lead the Department of Government Efficiency, hasn't been seen around town for a while. Could that be connected to his growing unpopularity that's led to billions of dollars of losses at his electric car maker Tesla? Since he started gutting the federal government, the world's richest man has lost billions of dollars. Stocks and sales in Teslas have slumped and protests have grown.
I'm incensed about what Elon Musk is doing to our government.
He promotes very far-right, unhinged stuff. He promotes fascist leaders throughout the world.
So, has the world's most powerful bromance come to an end? Both Trump and Musk have hinted publicly at the South African's exit, but neither have said it has anything